So I was looking at this Cannon Valley trail map, and I decided to take a walk down it in various places just to see if I could find any, railroad history, you might say. And I found a little, so I'll share it with you. Now I just have to stop along my way. You know that's an old railroad tie. There's a couple more up in there. So we know those go back. That's awesome. There's more railroad remnants. A couple of old ties. Just to reflect the old railroad that used to go down this way. So we're on the Chicago Great Western Railway. Not the tracks, they're gone. But we found this mile marker, 89 miles, and I believe that means to Mankato. Well, there's a little bit of history. There's another one. Yep, more railroad ties. Here's a marker, just like the one that we found when we were in Kenyon. Only that one said W3, this one says WX. So I'm thinking it's a signal to the engineer that as he approaches Red Wing here, he's going to have to be blowing his whistle at 10 intersections. Now if I'm wrong, someone correct me. This is more of that old railroad bed. Runs right along the river. I mean, if you were an engineer, you sure would have saw a lot of pretty country, that's for sure. Well, I came across this little bridge. I mean, you can see it's built out of green treated lumber, but you can see the timbers down there and the railroad ties that it's built on and the timbers that hold it up. There you can see some more railroad ties on that timber down there. That's so cool. That's your Chicago Great Western Railway. There's another mile marker. 88. Well, I hope you like that one. I hope you like all of them. If you're new, I've got a lot of things going here. I go out and I look at old railroad history from, old railroad beds, the abandoned ones. I go out and I video depots, and in the middle of that I'm trying to build an N-scale railroad, so I share a lot of that with you, and I also go to these railroad shows. So if you're interested in railroad history or shows or depots, or even following me along with my N-scale, you're welcome to follow. I'll catch you on my next one. Hey, if you like this, please give me a like. Share it with those that are interested. And subscribe. I'll catch you on my next one.